Step 1. Certification. Look for a label, plug or marking to show that it is certified. Plugs and identification labels are usually placed or fitted in the head or jambs of the door leaf. This information can be used to ensure that any fitted ironmongery, glazing apertures and intumescent seals are compatible with the door. Step 2. Apertures. Check any glazing panels and air transfer grills are fitted correctly and not damaged. Step 3. Gaps and seals. Check the gaps between the door and the door frame. Gaps should be 3 to 4 mm. Ask us for a free gap tester to check your doors. Check the fire seals are located in the leaf or frame of the door. Ensure they are installed properly and are not damaged. Step 4. Operation. Check that the door closes reliably and completely after every opening cycle. Step 5. Door closer. Check that the door closer is in working order and is CE marked.